Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Charge the Pixel to at least 50% so updates won't stop, and insert your SIM or set up eSIM so cellular features work. Once done, sign in with your Google account to restore apps and preferences automatically, and make sure backup is enabled. Connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and install any system updates. This prevents hiccups and gives you the latest security fixes before you move on. Now you configure how you use the phone every day. Set up fingerprint or face unlock and a secure PIN or pattern so your device stays protected. Then personalize the home screen, arrange apps, add widgets, and create folders for faster access. Make sure adaptive battery and dark theme are enabled to extend runtime. Set Do Not Disturb schedules so notifications don't interrupt sleep or meetings. Once configured, test shortcuts and unlock flows to finish lock in safety and sanity. Enable Find My Device and confirm your backups completed so data is recoverable. Test key functions, take a quick photo, record a voice memo, and play audio to verify camera, mic, and speakers work. If something goes wrong, try a restart first. If an app misbehaves, clear its cache or force stop it, and make sure system updates are applied. If issues persist, back up your data and use a factory reset as the last resort to restore a clean state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.